Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable data saver on Instagram, mobile optimization step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Look at the top right corner and tap the menu icon to open the side menu. In the menu, tap Settings and Privacy to enter Instagram's main settings area. Scroll down until you find the section called Your App and Media. Tap Data Usage and Media Quality to open media and bandwidth options. Find the option labeled Data Saver. Tap the switch next to Data Saver to turn it on. Wait a second and confirm the switch stays enabled. Understand that Data Saver helps reduce mobile data by loading media in lower quality. Go back one screen to stay inside Data Usage and Media Quality settings. Locate the section called Video Quality. Tap Video Quality to see how Instagram handles video playback. Find the option for playing higher quality videos. Set it to use less data when you are on mobile networks if that option appears on your device. Return to the previous screen using the back button. Scroll to check if there is an option about preloading media. If you see preloading controls, choose the setting that reduces preloading on mobile data. Now go back to the main settings and privacy page again. Scroll to permissions to ensure Instagram has only necessary access, which can help overall performance. Tap Data Saver again if you want to double check it did not turn off. Leave the settings page and return to your Instagram feed. Play a few reels or videos to confirm they load normally with Data Saver enabled. If videos look too blurry, go back and adjust video quality settings carefully. If you use Wi-Fi often, remember Data Saver mainly helps when you are on cellular data. For extra savings, avoid uploading in high resolution when you are not on Wi-Fi. Keep Instagram updated from the App Store or Google Play because if you can't find Data Saver, use the search bar in Settings and Privacy and type Data Saver. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.